Unit 6. Different places. Lesson 1. Old places. Track 32. Exercise 3. Read, listen, and say. Possibly. Possibly.
Probably. Probably.
They were possibly a trade centre.
They were probably a meeting place.
Lesson 2. I'm turning the lights off. Track 33. Exercise 1. Say, listen, and read.
What are you doing, Nina?
I'm turning off the lights, Mum,
Why?
because I want to help save energy.
But I can't read my newspaper. Why do you want to save energy?
So I can stop climate change. Miss Jennings says we shouldn't waste electricity. We can save money too.
I agree. We should turn off the lights when no one's in the room, but don't turn them off when I'm reading.
OK, Mum. Do we need the lights on in the hall?
No, we don't.
Anyway, I'm going upstairs to do my homework.
And I'm going to the kitchen to make a cup of tea. Would you like one?
Lesson 3. Favourite places. Track 34. Exercise 2. Read, listen and say. Have you been to Riyadh, Farhad?
Yes, lots of times. And I've been to London.
Have you ever been to Paris or Cairo?
I've never been to Paris, but I've been to Cairo twice.
Nina, have you and Fred been to Riyadh?
Yes, we have. We've been 3 times.
Fred, have you and Nina been to London?
Yes, we have. We've been lots of times. What about Paris and Cairo? Have you been there?
We've been to Paris twice.
Unit 7. Our World. Lesson 1. The 3 banks. Track 35. Exercise 1. Say, listen, and write.
What are those new bins in the playground, sir?
They're for recycling, Charlie.
Recycling what, sir?
Well, there are 3 of them. One's a bottle bank, one's a plastic bank, and one's a paper bank. You must be careful to put the correct things into the correct bin.
So anything made of plastic goes into the plastic bank.
And anything made of glass goes into the bottle bank.
And anything made of paper goes in the paper bank.
Quite right, Fred.
What about things made of wood, sir?
We don't need a wood bank, Charlie. We don't need to recycle wood.
Why not?
Because wood rots naturally. In a few years, wood disappears back into the earth. Lesson 1. The 3 banks. Track 36. Pronunciation Corner.
Cold. Gold. Class. Glass. Goat. Coat.
Lesson 2. What's it for? Track 37. Exercise 2. Listen, read and say.
Planet Earth. Be careful with our planet Earth. Don't make matters worse. Learn these words and don't forget to do what's in this verse. Don't throw away your plastic bags. Use them one more time. Or put them in the plastic bank. And don't forget this rhyme. Turn off the taps, turn off the lights, save electricity. You shouldn't waste, you should conserve. do these things with me.
Lesson 3. Mount Pinatubo. Track 38. Exercise 2. Read, say and listen.
First, we must get some passport photos. Then, we must take the passports to the embassy. Next, we must get our plane tickets. After that, we must do our shopping. Finally, we arrive in Riyadh.
Lesson 3. Mount Pinatubo. Track 39. Pronunciation Corner.
Should,
Would.
said,
Bed.
made,
Played.
couldn't,
Shouldn't.
some,
Mum.
worse,
Nurse.
break,
Take.
water.
Daughter. Lesson 4. Review. Track 40. Exercise 1. Name, listen, say and repeat. 1,
They're made of plastic. We use them for eating with.
2,
It's made of paper. It's for reading.
3,
They're made of glass. They're for drinking from.
4,
It's made of plastic. It's for carrying things in.
5,
They're made of paper. They're for writing in.
6,
It's made of glass. It's for looking through.
Lesson 4. Review. Track 41. Exercise 1. Name, listen, say and repeat.
The magazine is made of paper, so it should go in the paper bank.
The forks are made of plastic.
So they should go in the plastic bank.
The glasses are made of glass, so they should go in the glass bank.
The window is made of glass.
So it should go in the glass bank.
The bag is made of plastic, so it should go in the plastic bank.
The books are made of paper.
So they should go in the paper bank.
Unit 8. Spare time. Lesson 1. It looks like a lamp. Track 42. Exercise 1. Say, listen and write.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Miss Jennings.
Lucy, what's that next to your desk?
It's a present for my grandma. I bought it on the way to school. I'm going to give it to her this evening.
What is it, Lucy?
Don't be nosy, Nina.
That's okay, Miss Jennings. I don't mind. Could I show it to her?
Of course, Lucy. We can all see.
Here, look.
But what is it? It looks like a small spaceship.
No, it doesn't. It looks like a lamp. Well, it isn't a spaceship, and it isn't a lamp. Let me tell you. In the winter, when the weather's cold, my grandma likes feeding the wild birds. This is a bird feeder. She can put it outside her living room window and watch the birds feeding in her spare time.
But how does it work?
Look.
Lesson 1. It looks like a lamp. Track 43. Exercise 2. Read, say and listen.
First, you put the pole in the ground. Next, you put the bowl onto the pole. Then, you put the feeder onto the bowl, and after that, you pour the bird food into the feeder. Finally, you put the lid onto the feeder.
Lesson 2. Stonehenge. Track 44. Exercise 2. Listen, underline and say.
That was a very interesting trip, Claudio. I really enjoyed it.
So did I. Why do you think they built Stonehenge, Farhad?
I don't know. It was probably an observatory where they studied the planets and stars. I don't think we may ever know.
No, neither do I.
We have standing stones in Saudi Arabia too, Claudio. They're called Al-Rajajil. Here, let me show you some photos.
Lesson 2. Stonehenge. Track 45. Exercise 3. Read, choose, listen and say.
Farhad enjoyed the trip to Stonehenge. So did Claudio. Rima likes ice cream. So do I. Omar doesn't like coffee. Neither does Fred. Lucy and Elena go to school. So do we. Ibrahim isn't an English name. Neither is Rania.
Lesson 3. Holiday time. Track 46. Exercise 3. Look, listen and say.
Who's that boy over there?
Sorry, Fred. Can you say that again? Which boy?
Who's that boy with the dark hair?
There are two boys with dark hair.
The one standing next to the table. And who's that boy sitting at the table?
Pardon? Could you repeat that, please?
Of course. Who's the boy with the blonde hair?
There are two boys with blonde hair.
I mean the one holding some juice and wearing a green shirt.
Lesson 4. Review. Track 47. Exercise 1. Listen, number and say. 1.
This is a boy in blue jeans.
Which one? There are two boys in blue jeans.
He's the one holding a football.
2.
This is a girl with long dark hair.
There are two girls with long hair.
Yes, I know. She's the one smelling the flower.
3.
This is a boy in blue jeans.
Is he the one reading the magazine?
Yes.
4.
This is a person with short blonde hair.
Is it a boy or a girl?
A girl.
Is she the girl holding the apple?
Yes.
5.
This girl is a girl with long black hair.
Which one? There are two.
She's the one drinking water because she's thirsty.
6.
This person has short dark hair.
Is it a boy?
Yes.
Is he the one wearing glasses?
Yes. He's the boy taking a photo.